How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be discussing how we can turn on quiet mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, turning on the quiet mode on Instagram is also fairly simple. All you have to do is open the Instagram app. Then just come to the profile page from the bottom right of the screen and then tap the three lines option here to come to settings and privacy. Now, because Instagram changes their layout so frequently, it will be hard for you to, because today I make in a certain option, tomorrow the option is not going to be there. So the easiest way I would want you to do is to simply tap the search bar from the very top of the screen here. In the search bar, just go ahead and then type in quiet mode in this case. Once you type in quiet mode, you will see the search result. Make sure to tap the search result here, and then all you have to do now is simply turn on the quiet mode feature here if you would like to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. This way you will be able to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.